Welcome back to Understanding Iron Deficiency, a complete guide. All right, in this video, we're talking about the immune system and infections. So, iron is very important for the immune system, and without it, we tend to get infections more easily and have a tougher time recovering from those infections. So, why this is that iron is necessary for certain enzymatic and other cellular processes for the production of immune cells. Okay, so you need iron to be able to produce immune cells. Iron is also needed for energy metabolism within the cells. So, what people don't realize is that immune cells actually have one of the highest metabolic rates for any cell type. So, when people, if I asked you which cell type uh, uses up the most energy, which has the highest metabolic rate, a lot of you might have no clue, but a lot of you might, uh, you know, be kind of into this stuff, and you might immediately think muscle cells, right? Muscle cells use a lot of energy. Neurons use a ton of energy. They're very metabolically demanding. Liver cells, kidney cells, right? Immune cells might even take the cake. They are one of the highest. They have one of the highest metabolic rates of any cell type. And that partly explains why you're so exhausted when you are sick, right? Because you're spending a lot of energy fighting that infection. Um, Another thing that iron is needed for is antioxidant defense. Okay. And lastly, you can find within studies an increased risk of infection for various infections such as COVID-19, HIV, hepatitis, and these are just to name a few. If you look, you'll find them. So when you're iron deficient, you're at a much higher risk of contracting an infection. Okay. Um, yeah, and who wants to get infections? So make sure you get your iron. That's it for this video. Up next, we're going to be talking about anemia and fatigue. Okay, so these are very related, right? You know, does everybody with iron deficiency have anemia? Does everybody with anemia have iron deficiency? We're going to be talking about that and explaining why it causes such tiredness. You probably already realize why, but yeah. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.